is Gasper Randazzo, and I am a bag hoarder. Paper bags, plastic bags, tote bags. I probably started collecting bags like, I don't know, I would say the minute that I got my own place, I felt the need to keep every bag that I ever encountered, because you just never know when you would need a bag for something. I mean, these Trader Joe bags, I mean, they're just so sturdy and you just never know, so it's hard not to like just keep them all. You know, then of course you just have your standard bag of bags. You know, you got this random bag shoved into a big bag. Oh, this bag, I remember getting this bag. This bag, it's just one of those like sturdy bags that you just, and it's big. It's, you know, it can probably carry a lot of weight. You never know what you might need this bag for, so obviously I couldn't throw that one out. And then obviously it's in a bag, not just these random plastic bags sometimes you get from supermarkets. I keep a lot of bags hidden from my wife. She has no idea how many bags I actually have.